Hello everyone, it's Marky. How's it going, guys? I went out peg hunting for Hot Wheels and found a couple of new ones that I didn't have. This is pretty nice. A nice 911 beautiful Porsche in blue. And it looks amazing. And I also picked up this nice Corvette C8R, also in blue. And they look amazing. Check out this Corvette. What a beauty. It's awesome. It looks great. And this nice Porsche. Now this one's from Factory Fresh series. Isn't that nice? These just look amazing. Great to find these because I didn't have them. So this one is Factory Fresh 10 of 10. Porsche 911 GT3. You can see right there. What a beauty. Nice graphics on the card. Number 199 for the year. And it has the blacked out wheels. On the front, we do have a little spoiler here. And it's all plastic there on the front. Diecast. Blue enamel color. All diecast metal. Check out the wing in the back. This one's all metal. Not like some of them that have been coming with a plastic piece. This one is all metal. All diecast. And it does have a lot of nice detail on it, the way it's shaped and everything. It looks great. And again, here on the back end of the car, we have the 911 GT3 license plate. We do have the little GT3 logo right there under the Porsche name. We do have that brake light and a couple of lights down here. 2 pipes showing there on the bottom for the exhaust. It looks amazing. Let me fix the wheels. So cool. What a great look on this Porsche. 2-door car, of course. The handles are painted over in blue. And again, we do have those side view mirrors. And you can see a nice dashboard in there. There is no windshield wiper. And no vents here up front or anything like that. It's a beauty. A really nice front end too. Porsche badge right there. We have the plastic lenses for the headlights there. And it is a left side drive. We have the steering wheel there on the left. But this one is a beauty, isn't it? Nice glossy blue. Loving the color. I love this black roof up here. And the glass is all like a clear color. Dark interior, so it's kind of dark to see, but the windows are all rolled up. And it's just amazing. This is a great one. I'm so happy they put this one out again in a new color. The Porsche 911 GT3. Made in Malaysia. There's the Hot Wheels logo. R14 is the stamp down here. Copyright 2021. The 911 GT3. Looks amazing. Pretty nice. And then we have the Corvette, the C8R. It's got the 10 or the 12 spokes on there in gray. 2 pipes on the back there on the bottom. And then a nice tail on top with a red stripe on the sides. Nothing on the top, just all metallic blue color. And then we have these beautiful white stripes. Look at that. Come all the way up here with that orange color. The Corvette name in white right over the windshield with the orange background. Number 8 over here. We do have the Corvette badge right there in the front. Wow, it's a really nice front end too. Look at that. Nice spoiler in the front in plastic with the grille showing through in plastic. We do have the little lenses. It is a left side drive. Little mirrors on the side. No windshield wipers to show at all. And we do have the C8R name down here on the bottom with that white stripe, the Hot Wheels logo. We do have some running boards in plastic here on the sides. And let's check out how thick are those wheels, those tires. They're all the same size all around. And they're all the same size. But this one looks amazing. We needed a little more color on the back. A license plate maybe and a couple of brake lights or something. It looks amazing. Hot Wheels graphics, number 8 on the door. Corvette C8R, copyright 2020. Hot Wheels logo. This one is also stamped R14, made in Malaysia. This is a beauty. Wow. These two look so good. So good. Let's check out the card on the C8 Corvette. Look at that. That's a really, really nice card. Beautiful graphics. Hot Wheels logo on top. Number 190 of 250 for the year. This one's from the Then and Now series. Number 1 of 10. So we're going to get 10 Then and Nows. And they possibly change some of the colors throughout the year, so we might get different colors. But these two look so great. And great day for finding a couple of blue cars. For me, I got lucky with blue cars today. Which I love blue cars. They look really nice. So nice. Look at that. These cards are amazing. So if you collect them on the card, they're going to look really good hanging on your wall or however you display them. And if you're a loose collector, they are going to look good in your collection. Look at that. Nice couple of Hot Wheels to play with there. Looking so good, so good, so good. Nice comparison side by side. Let's see, which one is longer? Looks like the Corvette might be longer. Longer body there. And let's get closer on that front end. There we go. Nice comparison side to side there. Front views. They look so nice. Let's see the back. There we go. Looking good, and let's see how they look from a side view. And the Corvette is so squished down to the ground, right? So low compared to the Porsche. But what a beauty, what a beauty. What a beautiful look. What a beautiful look they have. They actually look so good. And again, a top view. From the back with a 3/4 view. Let's put them like this. You can see them a little bit. Pretty cool. Wow, they look pretty amazing. These are so cool. Let's see how those wheels look when they roll. Now these don't pop out as much because these are not very bright. They're so dark, you can hardly see them. But and then on the Corvette, you can really see these lighter gray color. There we go. I like to see how they look when they roll. Pretty nice, really nice. Couple of Hot Wheels there. Let's back them up, boys. There we go. These are pretty cool. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the review. I'm gonna leave a couple of videos up here so you can check them out. And like that, we can hang out a little longer today. And on this side over here, let me point this way like that. On this side, I'll post my picture up here. Click on my picture if you want to subscribe to the channel. Welcome all new subscribers and all my OGs. Thank you for always supporting the channel, guys. I'm gonna see you in the next video, guys. All right, guys, have a great Sunday.